Mga kababayan ko, hindi po ako narito.
No, you can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
All my fellow Filipinos. Now, this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
You were caught in the act by the kids doing sexual acts?
No, sir. No.
Then-
Yes.
Yes? What kind of sex?
No catching, sir. The kids, no.
No catching?
No, hindi niya kami nakita yung bata. We are together. But, no, I didn't see anything of you. Lumipad tayo. Kasi madalas din silang mag-away. Lagi silang nagkukuha ng divorce din.
Divorce?
Yes, divorce.
Divorce. Okay.
Then call me. I'm in the way, pushing the car because our car damage.
No bullying.
No, bully. No, sir. Wait lang, sir. I just
Okay.
explaining first.
Explaining.
Kinuha nyo agad-agad, pati sa Facebook ko, kinalatkat nyo, dinilit nyo
Sino?
lahat ng ebidensya, lahat-lahat.
Dinilit nila?
Yes, sir. Dinilit nila lahat ng ebidensya, pero mas mautak ako.
Tiba-tiba ka nito.
I'm really sorry, madam. You know that. I beg you all the time. I say sorry. Hindi ko kayo pinatulan lahat-lahat. Ang sabi ko lang, the truth will set be free. Yun na, lalabas ang katotohanan.
I thought that her father is an ambassador.
Yes, I don't know if this is true or false. Wala pong scam. Anong scam? Pumunta kayo sa bahay namin. Walang scam
Ewan ka,
po.
umiyak.
Yun